morning all of you. Welcome back. Our online class English 4th standard. Students, in this video we are going to start a new lesson, and lesson number is 9 and the lesson name is questions. We know that in our houses small kids are there. So they are always asking different types of questions. Always they are asking. If you give proper answer, then also they are asking different questions. Okay. So here I will give you a brief explanation about lesson. What is in the lesson? There was a boy, and he was playing with his friends a game. Okay. What is the game? The game is about a football. So, which means the boy had played football game with his friends. So, between that game, this boy and his friends, they both were shouting or shouted on each other's. Why they fought? What happened then? That we are going to see in this lesson. So before going to start the lesson, we have a starter kit. See, kids often fight each other for serious reasons, but then they also know how to make it up. We know that small students, small kids, they fight with silly reasons. For example, if you take senior KG, first standard, second standard students, they are saying, "Sir, he is beating me, sir, he is pinching me, sir, he is shouting." These are not that much big reasons, that much not big issues to fight with someone, but then also they are fighting. Sometimes you are also fighting with your friends for silly reasons. Understand? So kids often fight for silly reasons. They know, and also they know how to make it up. It is never good for elders to take sides. So when the two kids are fighting each other, elders should not interfere between them. Understand? They know today they fight and very next day they talk each other. So elders should not interfere between the kids matters, whatever the matters are there. Children should be left to themselves to discuss and decide what had been really fail or fall in their case. They know very well. Maybe that second, that situation they don't know, but later they can realize themselves. So elders should not interfere in between the kids. Let them live. Let them live themselves. They know what is mistake and what is right. They will discuss themselves and they will decide what they want to do. Share with a partner any quarrel you had with someone and then how you made it up. So usually when you are in childhood or now also you fought with someone. Understand? You quarrel with someone. So share about the quarrel or what you have done previously. Share with your friends. Okay? This is the starter kit. Next, now we are going to start the lesson. See. Everyone, here one thing you have to do while I am explaining lesson, so you should underline some important words. Those are new words. Okay? See, man saw Bed sitting in an armchair. His face was covered with his hands. What is the matter? Asked his mother. Nothing, muttered Bed. Muttered means what? Speak in a low voice that comes to heads, especially because you are annoyed about something. So when we are feeling sad, will you speak loudly? No. When we are feeling sad, we can't speak loudly. We using only very low voice. So one day what happened? Mom saw Bed sitting in an armchair. Do you know armchair? In our houses we can see that armchair. So Bed, what is the name of the boy? Bed. Bed was sitting in an armchair. So mom saw him. His face was covered with his friends. So after sitting in the chair, he covered his face with his hands like this. Then seeing the bed, mother asked to him what happened. What is the matter? Bed, nothing. Muttered bed means he said nothing. Nothing was happened. He told the same thing to his mother with very low voice. See, and again mom was asking to him, what? Why don't you go out to play? Asked his dad. So mom was asking what happened, what is the matter? He said nothing. Then again dad was asking to bed that why don't you go out to play? Who asked these words? Dad was asking to bed. I don't want to play. I don't want to. Replied bed quietly. Quietly means without making any sound, very low sound. So dad was asking to Mr. Bed that why didn't you go out to play? He said I don't want to play. Who replied? Bed. Don't you feel very well? Inquired his mom. So if we are not doing something, our parents will ask what happened? Are you okay? Your health is good? Or if you have any problem? This type of questions usually our parents are asking in our house when we are not doing anything or when we feel sad. Isn't it? So in the same way, Bed mother is also asking to him, don't you feel well? Don't you feel well? I am alright, answered Bed. But Bed said that I am okay, I am right, alright. Have you fallen out with your friends? Bed asked Dad. So Dad asked Bed, have you fallen out with your friends? Means did you fight with your friends? Yes, with one of them, replied Bed crossly. Understand? When the father was asking to Bed that have you fight with anyone? Yes, Bed replied yes, one of my friend fought with me, so I fought with my friend. Which one? Said both mom and dad at once. Who is he or who is she? If you fought with someone, if the person know about your father and mother, usually they are asking, with whom you fought? With whom you fought? So mom and dad, they both asked him at a time. Jack answered Bed. So with whom he fought? With Jack. Bed was fought with his friend Jack. Understand? What happened? Why did you argue? Asked his mom. What happened? Why did you argue? Argue means both are speaking something. Means those are not accepting their mistakes. So he is saying yes, but opposite person is saying no. That is called argument. Opposites. Okay. When I am saying something about you, you are saying no sir, that is wrong. But I am saying that is right. This is called argument. So the argument was done between Bed and Jack. So mom was asking what happened. Why did you argue? Asked his mom. Jack said I hadn't scored a goal, but I knew I had. He said went over the post, but I knew it had gone into the goal, said Bed angrily. So what was happened actually? I told you. Bed was playing football game with his friends. So while they are playing football, he fought with someone. Who? Bed was fought with whom? He fought with Jack. What is the fight actually? Why they argued each other? Bed said that I had a goal. Means I made a goal. But Jack saying that no, you had not scored a goal. It was went over the post. So this is the goal post. Here goalkeeper will stand. Understand? So when the what is saying? So he is saying that I had a goal. If you kick the ball between these goal posts, that should be a goal. Okay? If it will go outside out of the goal post. So Bed is saying that I had a goal. Bed is saying that I had a goal. But Bed friend Jack was saying that no, your ball went over the post. What means you did not score any goal. You did not score any goal. Okay? This was a fighting between asked dad. So usually, in cricket we are using stumps. Original stumps are different, but while we are playing in our houses or in our grounds, we can't. These are expensive, so we can't get this. So instead of that, we are using sticks. Yes or no? So in the same way, in football or hockey, goal posts are there. So dad was asking to bet that what were you using for a goal post? We used our courts. We just put them on the ground a few meters apart. Replied Bet. So Bet is saying to his father that we used our courts for goal post. We used our courts for goal post. We put that courts on the ground a few meters apart. Okay. This was happened. Okay. This is enough for today. And remaining what happened actually and what is that given solution that we see in our next video. See students, so here some of the new words and the meanings are there. These you have to read at home and also learn spellings and meanings. See, discuss, decide, muttered, quietly, inquired, crossly, argue, fallen out, at once, post. These are the words. So meanings, quietly means calmly, making without sound. Okay. Crossly means very angry. Okay, more angry. Argue, speak angrily to somebody because you disagree with them. I already told you, somebody is saying yes and you are saying no, or you are saying yes, they are saying no. That is called an argument. Fallen out, have an argument with someone so that you are no longer friendly with them. For example, if we fought with someone, we are not talking to that person, understand, for so many days. At once means at the same time. Post, the goal post. Post means the goal post. Muttered. What is mean by muttered? Muttered means speak in a low voice. Speak in a low voice. This should be your classwork. So everyone, these new words and as well as meanings you must write and also learn. Okay, write in notebook and also learn properly. So what happened next? This that we will see in our next video. Okay, thank you.